Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change the air filter on an Acura Ilx. First, remove the glove box by squeezing the sides and lowering it fully to reveal the filter housing behind. Unclip the housing cover, slide out the old filter, and note its orientation. Inspect the cabin air filter slot, clean debris with a vacuum, insert the new filter the same direction, and reassemble the glove box. Remove the glove box and cover carefully to avoid breaking tabs, and keep fasteners in a safe spot. Use a soft brush or vacuum to clear debris from the filter cavity and surrounding vents to prevent dust recirculation. Check the new filter for correct size and airflow direction markings, and handle it with clean hands to avoid contamination before installation. Take your time and enjoy a small win after inserting the new filter with arrows pointing in the same direction as the old one. Secure the housing cover and gently lift the glove box back into position. Test the vents by running the fan to check airflow and listen for unusual noises that could indicate misalignment. Record the date or mileage on the filter or in your maintenance log so you know when the next change is due.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.